How to fix matchmaking error in the First Descendant. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you two different methods with the help of which you will be able to fix the matchmaking error ME0008 in the First Descendant. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is you need to check the server status. For that, you need to visit the official website of the game and the social media of it. Then you just have to check for any update about the server status and the maintenance. You can even look for any announcements about server outages and scheduled maintenance. You can even check for the maintenance or the downtime. If there is a server issue or maintenance, you will need to wait until the servers are back online. The official source usually provide estimated times for resolution. In the second method, you can simply restart the game or your system. So you need to close the game. For that, you need to just exit the First Descendant completely and make sure it is not running in the background. Then you just have to restart your system. So for PC, you need to close all the applications and you just have to restart your computer. For console, you just have to turn off the console completely and wait for a few moments, and then you just have to turn it back on. Then you just have to check for your internet connection. So make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or checking other online services to ensure they are working properly. If you are using Wi-Fi, then consider switching to a wired connection for more stability. Then you just have to restart the game. So after restarting your system, you just have to relaunch the First Descendant game, and then you just have to attempt to join the match. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to fix the matchmaking error in First Descendant. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.